Good day, Steve Min. Welcome to the Valder Beebe Show live out of Dallas, Texas. How are you?
Good. How about yourself?
I'm having a great day, and I think I'm going to be smarter after I finish talking to you because you're going to be talking about credit education and empowering finances. What does financial education really mean? People throw the term around very loosely.
Yeah, financial education really means understanding credit and how you can improve your credit profile and credit score. You know, your credit score impacts just about every aspect of your life, whether you're renting a home or applying for a loan. And with the high cost of living lately, people are using credit to bridge the gap on a month-to-month basis. And not understanding how that credit works, what influences that credit score, or how to use credit wisely can be, a big deterrent in lenders wanting to lend to you. Any problem that occurs can be on your credit record for quite some period of time. So you want to make sure not to fall into the trap of making your credit profile look bad.
Oh, my audience to know this morning I'm speaking with Steve Min. He's the Chief Credit Officer at Credit One Bank. Steve, explain what is the credit score that most people are striving to get?
Sure. There are two national credit scores on the credit bureaus, one being the FICO score, the other being something called Vantage score. You're looking to get those as high as possible. That high credit score is going to allow you to be approved for all different types of loans, whether it's an auto loan or a mortgage or a personal loan. And even certain employers are starting to look at credit records as part of their hiring process and can potentially impact your ability to be hired. So we know that there's a lot of confusion around these credit fundamentals. In fact, 72% of the people that we surveyed didn't realize something as simple as a missed payment can stay on your credit record for up to 7 years and negatively impact your credit score.
That's a long time. What are, give me some common credit misconceptions.
Sure. 70% of the people that we surveyed were unaware that they should keep their oldest credit trade line open or credit account open. The longer your credit history is, the better your credit score will be. Additionally, a lot of people didn't realize that if you use too much of your available credit line, that's also bad for your credit score.
Where do you start to rehabilitate your credit score then? Because I think more people don't have that perfect number than more people who do have. So how do you rehabilitate it? Where do you start?
Well, your credit score is built in three primary parts. One is making sure you make your payments on time. Missing payments is about a third of your credit score. So if you never miss payments, that third of your credit score looks very good. Another third of your credit score is how much of your credit you currently use. So if you max out on all of your credit cards and all of the available credit that you have, that's going to negatively impact your score. And then the last third is an amalgam of different things, but largely based off of how old is your credit profile. So you want to make sure that you keep your oldest credit accounts open. Use them once in a while just to make sure that they stay open and have a diverse types of credit within your credit bureau. So that means having auto loans or different types of personal loans or a mortgage if you own a home. That all improves your credit score by having that diverse type of credit on your credit bureau record.
When your credit not worthy, I'll call it that, it's usually because financial challenges. You're probably not making enough or you've got too much debt. Is getting a professional counselor to help you get out of debt and help you with your credit score, is that an option?
That's always going to be an option. You should talk to your individual creditors to see if there's any kind of workout programs that they can provide that can help you lower your payments. It may not be enough in certain cases, which, I think the individual lenders realize. There's also national credit counseling that's available. So consolidating all of your different loans through those credit counseling services is an option as well.
You guys did a new survey, and thank you for giving us highlights from those surveys. But people need more time to look at that and be impacted. Is there a place online where they can find the survey?
Sure, they can go to creditrecords.com, and that'll explain a lot
Hi,
of the
I'm
credit
Valder Beebe,
fundamentals,
host of The
and
Valder
specifically
Beebe Show.
what not to do.
We have over 1,000 videos on ValderBeebeShow.com and YouTube.com/ValderBeebe We upload new videos daily.
Give us information
Our site is a modern baby boomer platform with news and information important to boomers. Subscribe to YouTube.com/ValderBeebeShow and stay connected as I interview the world's most fascinating people.